What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's gloomy ass video. We're going to freaking Autozone right now because I gotta get some clamps and I'm trying to bleed the brakes today and get the power steering sorted. And yeah, that's it. That's the whole thing. All right, I'll see you guys there. Okay, what's going on? So today, can't be doing this part today because I need to wait until I think he said Friday. So hopefully Friday we can get these manifolds freaking planed off and whatnot and whatever. And then, yeah, we can proceed with wrapping them and, you know, hiding some of my questionable, probably too much welds. But it's okay. Anyways, this thing is going to be the focus of today. Because as you guys know, I need to finish this damn car. It is, like, straining me so much with this. I need to freaking finish it. So... and by finish it, I mean get it on the... it's never going to be finished. No, anyone who's had a car in which they've done things to knows that they're never finished. Alright? It's just like, that stage is complete. That's it. You got nothing other than, oh, okay, I finished that stage. On to the next. What do I want to do next? But the stage that I'm in right now is like, I need to get this thing painted on the wheels and registered. That's this stage, and I'll be... happy. I'll be going to all the freaking car meets and stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna start this thing up, pull outside, and pull it into Ronnie's bay because I'm gonna have to jack this thing up corner by corner and bleed these damn brakes. Ronnie might be coming through to help with that, so yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna move some of this stuff and pull the car out. Let's see how this thing starts up now that it's cold. So, because I was a little naughty yesterday, you know, I did do a little bit of tuning. That's how I got it to idle like that. But it was more of like, I messed with my startup tune pretty much, and it was like my startup tune and a little bit of like the enrichment, just like revving it in neutral. Sounds good. Sounds real good. So I got it out here. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned yet, but this clutch is like stupid stiff. Okay, well I have to put one of these to block the jammy. Well, I put fluid in here. I put a friggin' clamp on the line. I had power steering, and now I don't. And why is that? Because all of the fluid I just put in is now underneath the car. Because it's coming out somewhere down here, which means there's somewhere on the rack that is probably not plugged in, because I can't see why it would leak that much that quick. Shout out to my patron that sent these, because they getting used, boy. I didn't even straighten the thing out. You guys are like... Neighbor Josh is about to freaking help me out with my brakes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start from this side here. I don't know if they have a brake bleeder or if I'm asking Ronnie for his, but yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna go over there and be like, hey dude, come check out this puddle. Look at the freaking amount of room in here with just one car in it. So shout out to Josh for helping me with this, because Ronnie's not here yet, and I don't even know if Ronnie's coming. He has like Ronnie has a rodeo to go to, and he said, I told him, I was like, yo, you gotta film that. He's like, fuck yeah, I'm filming it. So if you guys want to see rodeo content, you head over to Ronnie's shit. It's gonna be rodeos with backwards hats and sunglasses, dude. That's Ronnie's shit. But first one I guess went pretty good. Second one will be here, there, and there. I don't really know how much of bleeding brakes I can film, so I'll be back when I'm back. Cool, like sediment separation in there. I don't know, but shitty old fluid. mint stuff, guys. Come on. There we go. Wow, look at all that friggin' ganj in there. So, the Prelude officially has brakes. Huge shout out to Josh 1. I say Josh 1 because I think there's 4 Joshes that rent here. So yeah, but huge shout out to Josh 1 for helping me out with this, because this is a big step. So it's this. Now I have to somehow figure out that friggin' leak, the power steering leak that this thing has. But I'm also like out of gas, so I need to redo my fuel pump like pickup, because like I have 3 bars in there and it doesn't fucking idle. I have brakes. That's mint. I'm gonna figure something else out and I'll get back to you guys soon. I don't know. I'll figure it out. That's it right there. You can see the line over there disconnected. It's because I use those regular little clamps. So now I'm going to put 2 of those actual good clamps on there and tie those together. The only thing is my wheel is still, it won't do it if it's on the ground because there's pressure on it, but it still seems to just like spin to the right. And I know someone said something about like hooking the lines up backwards, but the thing is, like, I don't know what lines I could have hooked up backwards. Alright, so I've been having a lot of problems with these freaking lines. I think that's what was backwards and making my wheel spin. You can barely see them right now. Those 2 lines with the hose clamps on them, will it focus on it? There, those 2. Come on, film it, damn it. I found it. So it's not any of the clamps, it's just the freaking hose. If anyone's worked on a Honda, you know exactly how hard that freaking hose is to get to. It's the hose that goes into the freaking vehicle speed sensor in there. That's where that one-way valve is. That's why it was turned, because those two were backwards. Well, they were looped. Then I put them on backwards. It still did it. Now it doesn't turn by itself, but the hose is fucked. Great. Well, I gotta fix that. Well, there goes that. And I found this hose that I had from something, probably oil lines. I'm gonna just, yeah, whatever, I don't care. All right, well there it is right there. All right, so I'm pretty confident we're good now, but I'm not confident enough to put the intake piping back on. Let's try this again. So, steering wheel is good. It does not turn anymore. We have fixed something. Alright, we're not leaking. Alright guys, well the wheel kept turning, so I spun it the other way, and then now this freaking line just exploded, so I'm giving up for the night, guys. If you have any idea what the hell is going on here, you can see right there, that line literally just exploded. The wheel turned hard right, stopped, I heard poof, and now I have ATF everywhere. Well, I gave it a valiant effort for the day. At least I have brakes. I just don't know what the hell to do with my power steering, because lines either keep blowing off or, in this case, blowing up. So yeah, I don't know. If anyone has any idea, let me know. I'm gonna look it up more when I go home, but before I go crazy, because the repetition is what kills me when I do this shit. It's like when I do the same thing over and over and over, and then I look it up, do this, like, I've looked shit up and done the same thing at least 6 times, and it's just aggravating. And now my engine bay is covered in bullshit, so I'm very upset at that, but I'm gonna stop bitching because it could be worse. I could blow my engine up or something, but I didn't. Just power steering lines. Have no idea where they go. There's only 2 lines. I've tried both outcomes, 1 to each thing. Nope. Neither of them work, and both of them are incredibly hard to get to. Slice my finger open here. Alright, well, at least I have brakes. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Hope you guys enjoyed my frustration and pissed offness in these last minutes of the video. But I don't know. We have things to do tomorrow and Saturday and maybe Sunday. I don't know. I'll see you guys. All right. Peace out.